How to improve your life. Healthy eating is not boring. Healthy eating is not only a way to lose weight or keep fit, but also a guarantee of good health and longevity. Choose foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and avoid junk food, sugar, and alcohol. So you strengthen your immunity, increase energy and mood, improve the functioning of all body systems. Healthy eating is a boring menu of monotonous dishes, a variety of tastes and aromas. Experiment with recipes and add fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs, nuts, seeds, and grains to your diet. Healthy eating is easy and delicious. Move and be happy. Physical activity is good not only for health, but also for pleasure. You can choose any sport you like or just take a walk in the great outdoors. The main thing is to move regularly and not sit still. So you will not only strengthen your body, but also improve your mood. Physical activity will help you be healthy, happy, and full of energy. Education. Learning is one of the best achievements in your mind and broadening your horizons. Every day you can learn something new and interesting for yourself, whether it is a foreign language, professional experience, or a hobby. Learning makes you more confident, creative, and inquisitive. Learning is not only useful, but also fun. Good deeds. Do you want to make the world a better place? Help other people or animals by doing good deeds or donating to good causes. This will not only improve the lives of those who need your support, but will also give you a sense of joy and satisfaction. Don't wait, act today. Travel. Traveling is one of the most amazing and exciting things in life. When you visit new places or countries, you discover other cultures, nature, and people. You expand your horizons, learn new things, and get an unforgettable experience. Traveling makes you more open, tolerant, and inquisitive. Therefore, do not miss the opportunity to travel and explore our beautiful world.